Some fucker has slashed our seats. I'm really surprised, actually. We left them parked up here in the lobby of the Airbnb, and our host told us that we could do it. And obviously some of the other people in the B&B, or in the apartment building where the Airbnb is, were not too chuffed.
Yeah, it's a bit shitty, really.
That is a really nice... I mean, yeah, I was kind of expecting a passive-aggressive note.
And we had some woman tell us that we can't park here, and we told her that we'd be going tomorrow, and she's like, okay.
Yeah, but that's... I mean, you know, a bit of tape and we'll be fine, that's all right.
But still...
It's a new seat when we get home. Bastards.
Let's hope there's nothing else.
Oh, well, that wasn't a lot of cop, was it?
No, that was a slightly annoying end to an otherwise brilliant stay in Trieste.
It was basically a dick move by whoever did that. It can't have been the woman that told us off the other night.
For a start, she was an adult, you know.
Yeah.
No, that was... I don't know. I don't know. You know that old boy on the bus?
Yeah.
Someone like that.
It's a grumpy old fucker.
Yeah, that's the sort of person who would have done that.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, the good news is that these seats are, I don't know how much they are, but I imagine they're like 30 or 40 quid on OO Racing or something. So,
yeah.
And I was kind of going to get a new seat anyway because I've lost bits out of this one.
Yeah.
So it's no big deal. It's just like, oh, really? Do we have to?
Yeah.
Anyway, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're back on the road.
We are back on the
After
road.
a couple of days off, and I can see blue skies, puffy white clouds. Oh, I'm not going to stop for you. Sorry, that was
Sorry.
two.
I've got a slight dirty look.
Yeah.
Don't give a dirty look to notice that I went past.
Oh, lovely. I'll be your dirty look shield for the morning.
My dirty look buffer. Yes.
So, where are we going today, Claire?
We are going to Pag in Croatia, which is an island off the Croatian coast, and we get to take a ferry.
I'm really looking forward to that.
Yeah.
I like a bit of a ferry. I've yet to do the ferry across the Thames.
The Woolwich?
Yeah, I've yet to do that on a motorbike.
Yeah, I've never done that either.
So, yeah, I'm looking forward to that. It's going to be a bit of fun if we get there. And it's not that far. It's about 200k a day. Yep. And we'll have a nice lunch in about 75 kilometres somewhere. We're going sort of straight overish to the right here. So hopefully it's a nice day lined up. We've got to do a little bit of maintenance on the bikes.
Yep.
Because our chains are getting woefully slack.
Yes.
And I don't like a slack chain.
No, I don't like a slack chain.
Okay, we're going left here. But otherwise, I think they're touch wood, everything. Not touch wood, touch basket.
Touch basket.
They're going okay. Look at this, people. I've got my lovely spiffy new USB adapter to replace the one that the rain killed.
The rain did kill it with the indicator, by the way.
Oh, thank you. So I've got navigation, I've got data, everything's good in the world.
Yeah.
Oh, and now, look at that. I don't think you can see, I'll put my camera right out to the thing. There's some twisties ahead!
Oh,
There's
God.
some serious twisties. But that's going to be fun, that's all right.
Yeah.
It's not wet. Doing these twisties in the wet is absolutely... I mean, that's a sphincter factor of about 9.6 right there.
And they're uphill. I don't mind uphill twisties.
Really?
Yeah, I prefer uphill twisties to downhill twisties, totally.
Yeah, I don't know what statistically you're more likely to bin it on. I mean, you're definitely more likely to wheelie it on uphill twisties.
Yeah,
but you're more likely to slip it on downhill twisties.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I have much more fear coming down the hill than I do up.
Oh, wow. I'm going to concentrate now. I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm going to concentrate because we've got a couple more little turns ahead. In fact, I'm not going to turn the camera off whilst I'm negotiating.
No, let's...
was that it or was this it?
No, this is it.
This is it, right.
This is it.
Camera off.
Morning, Philip. We didn't actually need that much fuel this time.
Hey, we've just passed into Slovenia.
Yeah.
And already there's different languages.
Yeah.
Which is interesting. They spell police with a J on the police vans.
It's all gone a bit Balkan.
And a bit pork. Get some pork. Yeah, there we go. But it's Slovenia is only like sort of 20k outside Trieste anyway. It's really Trieste is the last Italian city before you get down this way. So yeah, here we are.
Here we are.
We've got a bit of a border crossing.
Yeah.
All passports, European passports. Trieste and European passports.
Yeah.
Well, hey. Oh. Oh.
Get my passport out.
Yeah.
Got a smile for me.
Oh, that wasn't too bad a border crossing, was it?
That was alright.
3 countries already today. 3 countries, and we've not even really had breakfast.
I know. It's great, isn't it? Right.
I get that passport back in its baggie.
Put you on the I don't know.
Well,
There's
maybe
no
this is
barriers
like sort of a redundant array of.
of inexpensive border crossings. I think we're okay.
Yeah, all the
Welcome
barriers
to
are.
Croatia.
Croatia full of life. And it would appear little. Oh, is it me or did the temperature just drop about 2 degrees?
Yeah, it did a bit. I hope this isn't a sign of things to come in Croatia.
I really, really hope so. Oh, the glove cover's on now.
Yep.
And my hands are slightly warmer, but my goodness.
It's a bit chilly.
Ah. Oh, so I think I made a bit of a mistake here. We appear to be on a Croatian motorway.
A toll road at that.
Yeah, it cost us 5 Croatian kuna each. And we're only going to go as far as Rijeka, but hey, you know, it's another experience.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
It's very quiet. The road quality is really nice. It's a little bit boring. It's alright.
Knocks the M6 toll into a cock's hat, I think.
Yeah, I would tend to agree. So,
Are we on this road? Yeah, we are.
yeah.
Google's
Yeah.
had a little... No, it's okay.
yeah, it's
404.
alright. It's the tunnels.
Yeah. There's some quite nice tunnels coming out of here.
Yeah, it is actually. I love a good tunnel.
I kind of miss the Swiss tunnels.
I do miss the Swiss tunnels a little bit.
They're so civilised. Oh, that's nice. Some big ass boats down there as well.
Yeah.
In them.
So
Rijeka.
we just had some rather nice coffee and cake in Rijeka. Very, very good coffee and cake.
Very reasonably priced coffee and cake. We've
So
suddenly...
cheap, so cheap.
We've obviously, now that we've left the Eurozone,
Yes.
our money's worth more.
And now we are heading for Pag.
Bag!
Pag!
Right, let's go. We're going to get our ferry crossing.
Yeah.
It's just starting to spit, and I don't know whether that's because we're going up into the clouds. I can't see that many. It looks like the clouds are thinning up there, so
Yeah, it's not too bad.
I'm going to hold back before putting the waterproof trousers on.
No, yeah.
I've still got the waterproof gloves and.
And
top on.
And the top on.
Come on, little bite, you can make it in 4th gear. It's only got
You can
4
do it.
gears.
Oh, yeah, I'm chugging a bit. Alright.
Yeah. I don't know overstress this engine, but oh, there we go. Right, round the hill. Oh, look at that!
Wow.
Klenovica. I don't know what the Klenovica is, but obviously a place. Oh, and up on this wall here are the names of all the people that have tumbled to their death off this cliff. Joke! Joke! Joke!
I am taking it rather slowly. I am 2 cars behind.
Oh, okay, okay. Good solid overtake. Nice one.
Yeah, so far I've been quite impressed with them actually.
That's okay, that's a 4. That was a good 4 there. Oh, so we've just passed through a town called Sweaty Duraj.
We decided not to stop because we didn't want to encourage chafing.
Unfortunately, it seems to we've got a dry road now again, which is nice.
It has been a bit wet though, but the scenery is rather lovely.
It's stunning around here.
We're going down this nice coastal road, which is actually lovely.
There's loads of bikers down here as well, aren't they? Look, there's some more.
Yeah.
Hey, hello, give them a wave.
Hey!
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 So, that was something.
That was absolutely ridiculous. Oh, so it was quite nice when we left
Rijeka.
Rijeka.
It was quite
It
nice.
was all right. It was a little bit chilly, but there wasn't much in the way of rain, and it just got colder as we left. And we sort of put our waterproof top on, then our waterproof bottoms on.
It
our
was kind of
gloves.
alright.
And it was all right. It was just a bit chilly, and we thought, it's unseasonably cold for this time of year. Then the rain started,
And then the wind picked up.
quite a lot.
Quite a lot.
And we were making for, there's like this sort of strip of island called Pag off the coast of Croatia up towards the north where we are at the moment. And our plan was we catch the ferry across, I mean it's not a big body of water at all, is it?
We catch the ferry over to this island, and then there was a minimal amount of mileage to get to Pag, and we were going to stay in Pag.
Yeah, and there are loads of like apartments and hotels in Pag, and we thought it'd be really nice. Then we get the bridge on the way off of Pag onto the main island, onto the mainland, and it'd be great. But what we didn't bank on was just the driving wind
The weather.
and the weather. This is ridiculous for this time of year. I mean, by now it should be sort of. I mean, it's not high season at all, but it should be the start of the season, and the weather should be much nicer. You're right.
Yeah.
And the wind was just blowing us all over the road, and the rain was making us wet and cold. And we had all our gear on, but it was getting really silly. We got down to the ferry, and the ferry hadn't run since yesterday.
Because of the wind.
Because of the wind. And there's all these cars and camper vans racked up, hoping the ferry would run again, which clearly it was not going to.
No, it wasn't going anywhere. So we stopped. We found there was a little place with a very friendly Croatian guy who made us coffee.
Like the bar waiting for the ferry.
Yeah, and we sort of regrouped there, and we got some advice from him about somewhere close we could basically hold up for the night, because there was no way we really wanted to go that much further.
No.
And he suggested this place. I can't actually remember what the name of it is.
Where are we?
I don't know.
I shall flash it up on the screen right now.
Yes.
We are in. Where are we?
So Charlotte then found an apartment, and there's lots of holiday apartments around here. No buggers in them at the moment because the weather's horrible. We found this lovely apartment with this chap who actually speaks quite good German, which is good because we don't speak Croatian and I speak a bit of German. And he's sorted us out. We found it. We are in this nice apartment. We are now dry, and warm, and we are hiding from the weather, and we're going to hide here for the night. He's told us that apparently it will be much better in the morning, and we're hopeful that that will be the case. Until then, there's a pizza place 300
We're
metres down
staying
the
the
road,
hell here.
and we are staying the hell here.
Actually, it's really nice. He went off with our passports because they've got to check your passports here, even in the whole
Yeah, I'm going to go and get it.
Yeah, it was so cute.
He brought us back schnapps.
So he comes in here with our passports and he comes in with this tiny little thing of schnapps. Bless him, you're going to have some schnapps now.
I'm going to have some schnapps
And
now.
he came out with 2 glasses. I thought he was going to come out with 3 glasses and insist we all drink schnapps. And I don't actually drink. And I thought
That's a bit vicious.
I thought I was going to be expected to knock back some schnapps, which would not be a good idea.
Alright, hold my schnapps.
Hold my schnapps, I've had an idea.
So here's to finding a dry and warm place to hide for the night, provided by a friendly German. Jesus.
What's it smell like? Oh, crikey, that's wallpaper stripper. Woo! What the hell is
Oh,
it?
suddenly I feel a lot better. Bye.